Welcome back. This is K.Johnfurniture that gives you helpful design tips. But before we start, I want you to give some love and hit the subscribe button. We want to share with you step by step the making of an L-shaped sofa set made in Filipino. It is also a character of a Filipinos to learn and be strategic in life. Making daddy's sofa or furniture is one of the sidelines in this pandemic. It's time to put on a string to make the sofa strong. And most importantly, the elastic bolt. Uratex foam is what we use most often because it's proven and really durable. And this is the result. Thank you for our customer and for supporting our small business. Thank you for watching.